Hi, welcome back to our channel. In this video I want to show you how to change X handle on mobile. So let's open X, and you want to tap a profile picture in the top left corner of the screen. Now let's scroll down to settings and privacy, and in your settings you want to select section your account. Now let's go to account information, and at the top you want to tap on your username. So here you will see your current username, and also here you can enter your new preferred username. Now let's tap continue, and here you can type it in. And when you're done, you have to tap done button in the top right to save your changes and eventually to change your handle on X. So that's it. I really hope that you find this video helpful, and if so, please like this video and subscribe to our channel to see more content like this.